my thumb. Yo, that guy. John, look over here. He's taking a piss in the truck. A bottle in the truck.
Yo, when he's done, open the window and just like open up the bottle.
It's been like 2 years since I needed to piss in a bottle. It was. I filled it up all the way. It was like an Aquafina water bottle, and I filled it up all the way. So like midway through my piss, I had to stop.
These people are probably gonna look and like, what the fuck is this guy doing over?
Oh, just pissing in the bottle. Hey, she's texting. That's worse.
She's cute. You can't get fucked. Did you overflow?
I spilled a little bit.
What the fuck? It was gonna stink.
Oh, dang, I was in my backpack. Oh, better not be my fucking backpack.
No, your bag's on the seats and in the trunk. I got some on my fingers. I'll have napkin. No? Oh yeah.
Just toss out the bottle through the window.
I feel good.
Oh, that's so gross.
You saw where I spilled? Don't touch my camera. Eric, show the world.
No, it's just this hand. I can use this hand.
That's gross.
No, it's like
splotches. That's the bottle. Made it to downtown Appleton. What's up, dude?
It's a Chinese event, dude.
Yeah, Lunar New Year, dude.
Hi, you guys are forget your names.
Biofreaks.
Biofreaks, yeah. You're there for soundcheck, right?
Yes. What's up, dude?
What's up, dude?
Let's go check.
We don't even know if we're going the right direction. They just lead us this way. Oh, must be.
Yeah, that's the stage.
Oh, that's long. What's up, dude? What's up, dude?
Hey guys.
You are the sound check. Check, 1, 2. Check. Check.
1, 2, 1,
Check.
2.
1, 2, 1, 2. Check.
I don't get A's, I get B's.
Oh, well, Ian, sound guy. That's perfect. Got free dinner provided by Lower Ends University.
What's up, dude?
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 What's up, dude? What's up?
What's up, dude?
You're ugly. Where are you? Right there. That's ugly. It won't even autofocus on his face. So we have a theory where we might be here, sent here to get killed.
What's that? After
From I don't know who, but anyone. Someone might be sending us here because this is a very good opportunity for us to expand. Almost too good. I saw, dude.
Imagine dating girlfriend snitch. Yeah, you go crazy. Yeah. Are you recording us?
Mm-hmm. Fucking nasties. Power time with Andrew.
Power time?
Heck yeah, that was tight. That floor power, he got windmills for days. You're gonna hit a crack. A butt crack. Ooh, 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 a hat. Ooh, oh, she's so slick. A Tai Chi master.
Blow like water.
Oh, Mr. Water.
I know, dude. Like
Water conducts electricity. Ooh, that came out of nowhere. Go! So, dude.
I've been living with my grandfather ever since I was a child. There was always something off about him. He had a strange hobby. He liked to collect marionettes. Begging for me to come to him. My grandfather's scream suddenly cut through the silence. I had to go to him, and when I went to him, all I saw was blood and marionettes on the ground. His throat splattered.
I think we're you guys.
Good job, guys.
Thank you.
You guys want some souvenir? Okay, how do I get this?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, sweet.
Can I have a stone?
No, that's for a magnet. You have to make a magnet to get a stone. Oh, sweet. Pictures. Whoa. Dude, this guy's famous. He's the reason why Bio Freaks are known throughout the Midwest. Dylan, turn around. Let's get your name tag.
I saw it, dude.
I saw it, dude. More pictures. More pictures. We'll eventually get more pictures. Yeah. Yes. Also has our YouTube if you're cool with being on it. All right. Okay, not her. Kenny.
Make sure it's not
What's up, dude?
What's up, dude? Bert, get out the way.
Go. Go. See how long he's going to follow us. Go to the stop sign. Go to the stop sign.
Lock it. No, did not. Hey, we're gonna get our food.
Oh, we're not eating the food?
Fuck our food. We're not gonna eat in the car anyway.
I'm gonna eat in the car.
This guy.
He tapped on his brakes. He tapped on his brakes 3 times.
This guy. This car right here.
Oh, we should move
Right there
right.
is in a Charger.
Damn,
There's a state trooper right up there. Just did a U-turn.
state trooper. I saw him do that UE.
No one does UE.
That guy's staying behind him, dude.
Oh, you gotta stay behind the cop car.
Ooh, this guy gonna get pulled.
I told you he was a state trooper.
Oh yes.
This guy.
Wait, his lights are up.
Yeah, the lights are up.
Oh, it must have been that car that went past them. The truck.
I bet you it's a redneck. Oh, there you go.
See, his
Told you his lights are up.
Let's see if it's that truck.
No.
Oh, no. He's making an
Oh my gosh. Oh, they're still there. Whew. Almost our turn.